what is the Global Power City Index? Due to an global competition between cities, it evaluates and ranks the major cities of the world according to their magnetism or their comprehensive power to attract people, capital, and enterprise from around the world. The global cities are ranked based on criteria of function such as the economy, research and development, cultural interaction, livability, environment, and accessibility. Future of GPCI, Global Power City Index. Number 1. As opposed to the limiting ranking to the particular areas of research such as finance and livability, the GPCI focus on a wide variety of functions in order to assess and rank the global potential and comprehensive power of a city. Number 2. 44 of the world leading cities were selected in their global comprehensive power, evaluated based on the following viewpoints. A. 6 main functions representing city strength, economy, research and development, cultural interaction, livability, environment, and accessibility. 5 global actors who lead the urban activities in the cities: manager, researcher, artist, visitor, and residents. Thus, providing an all-encompassing view of the cities. The GPCI reveals strengths and weaknesses of each city and at the same time uncover problems that need to be overcome. 4. The ranking has been produced with the involvement of the late Mr. Peter Hall, a global authority in urban studies, as well as other academics in this field. It has been peer-reviewed by third parties, all international experts from the both public and private sectors. Furthermore, the significance of GPCI is to provide a reliable and accurate ranking between cities worldwide through the use of functions as their guide to obtain results.